my Boom Beach account, which is terrible. Because I don't really play it much. I'm okay, I guess, but I like Clash of Clans much more. Apparently I got attacked. I will show you that video. Now, for Clan War, P battle. Let's see what his strategy is. Destroying my cannons. Is that all? Is that all you're gonna do? I really need to put those cannons on. I mean, look at that. He just destroyed that guy. All my stuff. Man, that's crazy. What are you doing? No! No! I still got Sniper Tower and cannon left. You ain't gonna win this battle, boy. Come on, I dare you to try. Oh, and all you do is send in a tank and a few troops. And then Fuzukas, of course. How did he actually destroy my base? I'm still wondering that question. Probably because my boom cannon was destroyed. Not destroyed. Building. Upgrading. Oh, I hate that I did that. Oh yes! That's all that was done. Okay. Oh, so I didn't get. I thought the person won. Well, you guys, apparently he didn't win. It just looks so much like that because he's got a pathway like right there. Straight to it. All he's gotta do is destroy that cannon and destroy that sniper tower, and he'd be on his way. Oh, good job. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. How does he actually still have, like, those boom coin thingies? Where am I think though? Okay, and then she shoots that out, and then she, little Zuka girl, gets killed by a sniper tower. So, if you didn't completely see it, this is my base. What happened to all my loot? What? Oh, I did just collect that. I'll just accept the wood. I'm usually desperate for wood. So, yeah, you guys, this is my base. How about we go do an attack this time? Level 24, I can do that. Okay, let's see here. Come on, destroy these cannons because those are the most destructive. Then take that out. Double missiles, and they destroy all of those. So then I'll put in my two guys right there, and I send everything in, of course. Let's go and destroy that. Try to destroy that a little bit more. So now nothing can snipe these guys out. Yeah, except for that sniper tower over there, which I don't think they'll actually get for. He probably will. No, I was about to send that healing package on him. What? No, I don't need that. Oh, one died. It costs 1,000 to heal one of those guys? To make another one of those guys? Dang. You get all level 12 landing crafts so I could have 2 of those on each. Let's see the best players. This game looks so much different than Clash of Clans, if you ask me. Well, not really the backgrounds, but everything else looks different. Oh, there's a new level landing craft? I did not know that. Wow, they can fit so many things on there. That's neat. That looks so cool. I'm going to go look around and see if I can find somebody to attack. Okay, does that sound good? Let's do that. Go ahead and get these diamonds. I thought that said 10 at first. Another spend. Let's see what's over here. Well, 30 base, of course. Ooh, that's a lot of money. So I will go there. Just get all that stuff. 24. Totally helped. He went up to 34, of course. You know what? Actually, let's just go for it, you know? Like, why not? I only have one less trigger than I usually have. Yes! Okay. So, I'm going to send my troops in, my tanks in for this side. I'm gonna let him be like the person that gets spotted, and then I'll send these guys in. So then they'll get spotted by that. Spawn's gonna go off on him. Oh, I hate that. No! My boom king spotted him. I'm in for now. So now all my troops are in, and apparently that's all I got left. I need to destroy that boom king as quick as possible. So my tanks are going straight for it. Oh boy. That's bad. Because you see how much damage he does? So I'm just let him go ahead and go and destroy all that. No, I can't do this. Don't! Okay. I'll have to retreat, and sadly, I'll just... let's see. I think they should start it there. I don't want to start it and they'll get mad at me. Okay, I'll get that running. So yeah, this is my base. Let me go ahead and create this. It's my base and all. It's kind of ugly, but you know, I'm fine with it, truly. Okay, let's see. Just take all this over here. So, yep, this is all. So, let's take out this. I don't have enough space to do anything with that, so thank you for watching this, and subscribe to see more Clash of Clans, and ask me if you want me to do more Clash of Clans or Brim Beach. I will do either.